Yo, 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 yo. Welcome back to another adventure series, Ratchet and Clank. You know what time it is. We finally got Rivet. We're with Clank. We're trying to rescue him with Ratchet. All over the place, boys. Hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. 95% of you aren't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. Alright. Now, let's get this Rivet character. Now, well, I want to get some ammo for my my blast gun. That's gonna happen.
Great! There's a secret right over my hideout.
Holy
I've
shit,
been out
there's
this
more
far in a
gun.
while. A lot of swamp acid between here and the Mortz's gelatonium factory.
Swamp
Those
acid.
beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. Soon as I can get close enough.
Bro, let me access this thing. Yes?
This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious
Have you ever
City.
wondered if your enemy would
Okay.
look better as a piece of garden sculpture? And, oh, it stuns them and shit.
Take comfort in a full clip, cutie.
Oh, yeah. Dude, oh. There we go.
I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Alright, let's keep on keeping on. Get the shotgun out. Boom, 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 boom. Is that all of them? What are these? Let's go these. Holy shit, they're speedy. Alright.
Needle wasps!
Alright. Sorry for the slow guys, I'm a little high right now. You know. Just a regular ass life in the stone. Bro, leave me alone. Alright?
Where's that speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that tree.
See, this is what happens when you explore a little bit. You find some stuff. I'm not going back there. Alright, so now we've done this. Let's keep on going. Wait, where's the one with the
And the last speedle runs into that rip thingy. Alright, smarty bot.
We're
What
in
is
a
this
rip?
place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff? Hey, it's Maynard, the Mortz's helper bot. Must have wandered
Maynard.
in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speetle.
Come on.
No, no, don't hide! Ah,
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
hello there. Gotcha!
Oh, dear.
Oh, what? Oh, there must be stuff in the water down I can explore. That's pretty freaking creepy. Oh shucks. But where's my speedo though? I like what? Oh,
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Morts.
how far can I go out? Holy shit, this is fun. Alright, let's just make just a quick lap. Just a quick lap. I can't even look around. I have to move the bug. Yeah, we're getting them coins. Able to buy guns and stuff. Alright. Let's go to the objective. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this series. Write down in the comments down below which one to see next. And let me know if you guys want to see more CS2. I've been playing, you know, alright. I'm not gonna have a little freak out about it, you know. I like CSGO better, but it's the same thing. Everybody has to revolutionize their games. Where do I gotta go? Okay, so I better get one of those bugs. Let's get that bug real quick. I went so fast that I forgot how to get off. We'll just keep on keeping on. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Now if we could get away from this acid. Now if we could get away from this acid. Now if we could get
Oh, we just have to keep going. It's hard to control.
Now if we could get away from this acid.
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts! Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it! I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash. Stop! 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 There's the gelatonium factory. Coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
Let's go help them, baby. Let's go.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever! over, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends.
Bolts, it's Clank, bro.
Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax? Tell us where your friend is, Josephina! Those things! Dimensions in my head!
Alright. Could be good.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard
But
those
yeah.
fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Are behind?
Where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is.
That guy's Canadian.
All I
Mort's
know is it
Canadian.
keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Canadian Mort.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Let's get some upgrades first. Wait, can I interact with this?
How's it floating, Maynard?